So that is 72 is, pag may nabasa kayong is, that is equals, what percent? So anong percent daw? Of, pag may nabasa kayong of, that is times 240. So ito yung ating formula, no? 72 equals what percent of 240. So solve natin. So to do that, we need to divide both sides by 240 para ma-cancel na to. And makuha na natin yung percentage. So ano raw yung equivalent percentage ni 72 over 240? Okay, so we need to divide. O, paano mag-divide? 72 divided by 240. So, cannot be ito, no? Cannot be. So, we need to add zeros. Tama? 72, hindi natin ma-divide by 240 kasi mas malaki yung dividend eh. So, we need to add zeros. So, may point tayo. Okay? 720 divided by 240. Ang sagot dyan, 3. Okay? Then 3 times 240, that is 720. Then minus 0 na kagad. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin is 0.3. So, kung 0.3 yan, itatranslate natin to percentage. So, move natin yung decimal 2 times going to the right. So, magiging 0 yan. So, we have 30%. So, letter B.